Hi guys, and welcome back here to DRONEXL, back here once again with a brand new video. Well, the arrival of two brand new Mavic drones has been confirmed, and in today's video we're gonna be telling you which drones this is going to be releasing this month, because yes, we're getting two new Mavic drones this month, and in today's video we have all the details including specs, images, release date, and everything regarding these brand new drones from DJI. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 Classic, and the upcoming Mini 3, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also, I'm gonna give you guys a huge thanks because we have now reached our goal of 10,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy to think about. So I can only say one thing and one thing only: thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which will be quite exciting. And well, that is because we now have confirmation that we're going to be getting two new DJI drones this month. We know that DJI is going to be having a release tomorrow, September 27th at 9 AM Eastern time. So let's go ahead and take a look at whether or not these new drones are going to be coming from DJI tomorrow. So there we have them, ladies and gentlemen. This image is coming thanks to our good friend Dill's Drone, and right there we can clearly see the images that said Mavic 3 Enterprise demo unit, and then we have the Mavic 3 Thermal. So there we have it. This will be the two new drones that DJI is gonna go ahead and be releasing tomorrow at 9 AM. So these are gonna be the two drones that we're finally gonna be seeing. I am very excited for these new drones. Let's talk specs because we do have them, and also some images of the drone itself. So go ahead and take a look at the specs. These drones are gonna be packing a 3-meter 1200 meter laser range finder, as well as 24 megapixel images, because it's gonna be having a 1-inch CMOS sensor. In addition to it, it's going to be having 3 up to 16 times optical zoom and up to 300 times hybrid zoom. And there we have the drone itself, very similar to what we had on the original Mavic 3 as far as the design is concerned. Obviously the camera is completely different. We now do see that this drone is going to be utilizing carbon fiber, so that is something real nice to have, especially in these Mavic 3 Enterprise level drones. So there it is. This is going to be the Mavic 3 Enterprise, and we're also going to be having the Mavic 3 Thermal, which, as the name denotes, is going to be having a thermal camera, exact same design, just with a different camera setup, and as a consequence it's going to be more expensive. Let's talk pricing. What are these drones going to be coming at? So if we go ahead and take a look at the past, we do not have the official pricing as of yet, but we can do some guesswork to give you a pretty good idea of what kind of pricing you can expect to see from this Mavic 3 Thermal and Enterprise. The original Mavic 2 Enterprise was priced at $2,900, so it was definitely a bit more expensive than the Mavic 2 at the time. So taking that into consideration, we can tell you that most likely the Mavic 3 Enterprise, the basic one, is going to be coming somewhere between, I would say, $3,000 and maybe up to $4,000 on the high end. Now, as far as the thermal Mavic 3 Enterprise is concerned, that's gonna be way more expensive just because of that camera. So we can expect this drone to be at least $5,000 up to maybe $8,000. So that is going to be the range where this Mavic 3 Thermal, I believe, is going to be priced at. I could be wrong, but that is what I think is going to be priced at based on previous DJI Mavic Drone Enterprise releases. So guys, this is what it's going to be happening tomorrow. We're going to be getting two brand new Mavic drones. There will be the Mavic 3 Enterprise and the Mavic 3 Thermal. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is DRONEXL signing out.